everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back from New York and I am actually home for Christmas now. It's Christmas Eve today and I just wanted to wish everybody a lovely Christmas Eve and a Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. I've had lots of social events. I actually drove home the other day. It was kind of a snowstorm, so it looks like we are going to have a white Christmas, which is nice. We are prepping for our Christmas Eve at our friends, and we actually made a Pavlova wreath last night. I'll show you the little clip, and we are going to decorate that later and have that ready for tonight. So I will show you guys that. It's really cool. It's actually pretty easy, but it looks more extravagant than it is. And then we have the lovely tree here. So here is our Pavlova wreath out of the oven. So we will decorate that after. And we're just gonna do like whipped cream and berries and like sprigs of rosemary to make it look very festive. So last night I was having a cozy little night in, and when I was in New York, I went to a few really nice shops and I noticed all of these painted candles. So last night kind of was my painting candle evening, but I think they turned out really pretty. They kind of give me like the Scandinavian Christmas vibe. Yeah, so that was really fun. And I feel like that's a lovely gift that's like homemade, but people will actually use. Mom has a few more decorations. She did some dried orange since I was gone, and greenery. She also did the little wreath on the stove. Looks so cute. And yeah, you can see that we are having a nice little dusting of snow, a white Christmas, so that's lovely. And then when I was gone, Mom actually made this toile cushion, which is so pretty. She's so creative. And then she also made these stockings with the leftover toile. That's kind of cute. Kids say Merry Christmas. All ready for Christmas Eve. All ready for Christmas Eve. Wearing my little green velvet dress, little plaid scarf, headband. Hi, Ellie. This. So we have to transfer this to our beautiful tray. Oh my gosh, be careful.
Oh wow, it just fits.
Oh.